Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really great. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all this simple and easy Raksha Bandhan makeup look. I really hope you all will enjoy it. It's very simple. It's a simple makeup look which will look glamorous on y'all. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get started. So you can see for moisturizer, I'm using the Nivea Creme moisturizer here. It's a very nice moisturizer and it's a little heavy and it's good for makeup. So I'm using this and blending it really well. So once I'm done blending that, I'm going to be using the Blue Heavens primer here. Just a small amount of it. It actually is not required, but it makes our skin really smooth. You know, primers are really good. It makes our base very smooth. Anyway, we are not going to use foundation and all, but yet we are going to use this so that our skin feels soft and smooth. So we are done blending everything into our skin, and I've also applied a lip balm now so that our lip stays moisturized. So first I'm using the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer here. Doing the eye makeup first because we are doing a black smoky eye. So when we do that, there might be chances of fallout, right? So it might destroy our whole look. So we'll do eye makeup first. I'm gonna blend this with a brush first and then use a sponge and go close to your eyebrow so that you get a nice defined eyebrow. I'm using the tip of the sponge and nicely blending it. This is a damp sponge. Make sure to use a damp one itself. So we are going to repeat the same process for this eye also. So I'll finish blending this and be back. Now you can see I'm done blending everything and it looks perfect. So we're not going to set it with the compact now. We're directly going to start today with the smoky eye. So I'm not been using it. So now I use it only for smoky looks. So here I'm taking a flat brush like this. And you're going to blend this on your lids. So when you apply a dark kajal and then do it, your smoky eye looks even more better and it looks very nice. So blend this like this really well in your entire lid. But make sure, because it's kajal, it might be really intense and black, so don't mess with it. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild's eyeshadow here. This is a single eyeshadow in the shade Panther. And I'm using a small fluffy brush. And now again we are going to blend this from the outer corner. Gently, small strokes, and keep blending it. You can see our simple, easy and light smoky eye is done. So now to just blend off the crease, the brown shade from this, tapping off the excess. And then I'm just going to lightly blend this into my crease. So this will give a very nice smoky effect and not look harsh on the ends. So now you can see we are done with this one eye. Don't worry if you get extras here. It's okay. We will remove it now. So same way I will be doing this eye also, and I'll be back. You can see I'm done with both the eye. Actually looks really nice. It looks darker in person. I don't know why the camera is catching it really light, but it looks very nice. Keep building on the color if you feel it's too light. Now what you're going to do for this excess part is just take a tissue paper, just fold it into a small bit like this, and open your eye wide and just start cleaning the ends. So because I mentioned it's a simple makeup, you're not going to be using foundation. Again, we're using the Swiss Beauty concealer here and highlighting our points and where you have acne scars, because some of them are really insecure of their acne scars and all. So you can, wherever you feel like, you can add a little bit of concealer. So we're not going to be adding any foundation, as I mentioned. I'm just going to be highlighting these parts, and if you have any acne scars like this, just one or two on top of them. Yes. So now we'll just blend this all. You can see I'm done blending everything. Just by putting a little bit of concealer, you can see the face itself looks super highlighted because you have highlighted all the major points. So I'm going to be using LE18 compact here. Don't apply too much and then just blend it. Use a brush and use little minimal product of powder. Don't make it over matte, I would say. Got to do one more thing, that is filling the eyebrow. So now again I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil here. And very lightly I'm filling my brow. It's not that perfect filling, just wherever you feel you have gaps or just you want a color, just add a touch like this. So you can see I'm done filling my waterline also, and I've also put a little bit of kajal. You have to put kajal while doing the smoky eye so that you get a little nice bold look. I'm going to place it here and comb my lashes. You can see when you add it in the inner corners here, it'll instantly make your eye look bold and very cute. And I think whenever you do a bold eye, you should definitely do a nude lips to get a matching vibe and get the whole thing done. That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.